What is going on, everyone? So a few things are true every time I drop a video, and especially every time I drop an AMC video. Number one, you can rest assured you're still going to pay taxes. Number two, you can rest assured that Ken Griffin is going to have a very bad day. And that's exactly why I'm making another AMC and GME video today, because we're here to talk about Ken Griffin, we're here to talk about Vlad Tenev and Robinhood, and we're also here to talk about someone new today. We're here to talk about Michael Burry. Now, this is a fellow that I've never talked about on my channel before, but oh my goodness, is this an exciting topic. So we're going to get right into it today, ladies and gentlemen, but before we do, you know the drill. Please go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the notification bell if you are new here, because you're not going to see content like this anywhere else on YouTube. And I drop videos just like this one every single day. And boy, oh boy, am I especially excited to be dropping this one. So I'll see you in the video. So just in case you didn't know, let's talk about who in the hell Michael Burry is very quickly, although I'm sure that most of you already know. Well, he bet against the housing bubble of 2000. He also predicted the financial crisis of 2008. And what a lot of you may not know is that he also held a significant position in GameStop since 2019. Or in 2019 is when he got in with a little bit over 3 million shares. Now, I heard about this when he did it, and at the time I thought the dude was crazy. GameStop was trading at about $5. And all of a sudden, it went up to like $300-something in 2021. But, you know, who the hell knew? Unfortunately for our friend Michael Burry, he did not get to profit off of that insane freaking $300-something price, share price, when GameStop hit over $300, because he had hands made out of toilet paper, and Scion Management, which is the company that he runs, or the investing firm that he runs, well, they sold out before the share price topped out, so he was SOL, so to speak. Well, because of that, he turned into a little whiny baby, and he is the guy that's always predicting a market crash. The market's gonna crash. Wah. But it never does, except for the 2 times that he predicted successfully. Other than that, he's full of crap, in my opinion, at least. I mean, at some point, the market always does correct or crash, so I guess you could say, you know, he is correct, as long as you give him extra time, because he always needs extra time. So anyhow, he's no genius in my book. He's just a regular old dude, and he puts his work boots on one at a time, just like you and I do, friends. So pay attention, apes. Here's what's going on. This guy, he's a little weenie baby. He's a crybaby. And because he was so butthurt that he sold out of his position early, he started talking. He started, you know, posting crap on social media. He started telling the SEC that they need to investigate, okay? They need to do something about this crazy $180 share price of GME right now, okay? And he was saying it back in the day when it was 300-something as well, which wasn't actually back in the day. It was not too long ago, just a few months ago. But now he's complaining and whining about the $180 share price, or whatever the hell it is right now. And he wants something done about it. Well, why does he want that? Well, it's because he's a sore loser. It is because the son of a gun sold out early, and there's nothing else to that. But you know what? He did get a subpoena in the mail. He got a subpoena, and the SEC wants to talk to him, just like they did to Ken Griffin, Vlad Tenev of Robinhood, yeah, and everybody else involved. And they want to know why or how in the hell he knew that GameStop was going to go up when it did. Or do they? I think they really want him to start snitching on Ken Griffin, okay? I think they want him to reveal a few things. And by the looks and sound of it, I think that he's going to talk. I think he's going to sing like a canary, like a bird, because you know what? He's a sore loser, and that's what sore losers do, okay? Nobody likes a snitch. But they do in this case, because him being a snitch puts money in my pocket since I'm holding AMC shares. And yeah, and some of you may be holding GME as well. So this could put money into your pockets.
Now, if you'll take a look at your screen, you'll see that I have information from a very reputable source. It's called Twitter. And here on Twitter, you can see that someone posted, "So, who got an SEC subpoena over GME? Actually, I know who they're on my subpoena with all that's going on in the world." And as you can see, the screenshots of the subpoena, it has Mr. Michael Burry from Scion Asset Management, LLC. Now, he did delete the tweet, and I believe that he deleted his entire Twitter account. Oh my word.
But why is this important? Why is it so significant? Well, it's because we still have not seen the report after, Ken Griffin and Vlad Tenev and everybody else testified at this congressional hearing. So we still don't even know what in the hell is going on. But we do know that some other people have gotten punished for little petty-ass crimes related to, stock manipulation, market makers. Or, it's still stock manipulation, so we'll stick to that. Anyhow, those names are insignificant. We're not going to discuss them in this video, but it just goes to show you that, the SEC has been going after, little smaller guys, but they don't want to touch Ken Griffin. Okay, why not? Is it because they don't have enough evidence? Is it because Ken Griffin didn't lie? Then why in the hell is Ken Griffin lied trending on Twitter? Or why was it? And then the lied part disappeared and it just became Ken Griffin lied. So maybe they just need more evidence, so that's what they're looking for. And now they've got this guy named Michael, whatever the freak, Burry, that guy, and he's upset, he's disappointed, he wants to see justice because he did not get to make as much profit as some of the other guys did. So now, him being a sore loser, he's going to go and tell everything that he knows, or at least tell some stuff. And what'll happen then is maybe when that report comes out, we'll see an arrest. An arrest happen that has been long awaited. The arrest of Ken Griffin of Citadel Securities, maybe even Vlad Tenev, who in the hell knows? At least that's all we can hope for, because retail investors, the apes, dumb money, us morons, we've been getting hurt in the stock market. And, they were supposed to protect us. But by protecting us, they really just screwed us over and prevented us from being able to trade and made us lose money so that we couldn't enjoy all the riches, the fruits and vegetables and bananas of life. Those filthy, dirty, freaking market-making Robin Hooders. Robbing Hooders, because that's what the hell we call them, because that's what the hell they are. They rob us every single day under the disguise of PFOF, where they're saving us money. Okay, well, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope that you found this content useful and entertaining, and if you did, please go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. Please go ahead and tap that notification bell after you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because you're going to love my content, and I've got content just like this coming out every single day. By the way, make sure you share this with all of your friends and family and every ape that you know, because this is important and we need to spread this news to everybody.